In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open all links at once in Google Sheets. If you're managing a large amount of data, such as articles, research, or just bookmarks, you might find this little tip incredibly helpful. Instead of tediously clicking each link one by one, you can save time by opening them all at once. First things first, let's dive into Google Sheets by opening your document. You probably already have a Google Sheet filled with hyperlinks that you're interested in opening. So, go ahead and open that sheet in your browser. If you don't have one ready, create a new sheet and populate it with links so you can follow along with the steps. Being organized here is key, so make sure you know exactly which sheet contains the links you want to open. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to highlight all the cells that contain hyperlinks. Click and drag your mouse over the cells, or if your links are in contiguous columns or rows, you can click the first cell with a link, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last cell to select all in between. This method saves you time and ensures you don't miss any cells containing links. With your links highlighted, right-click on your selection. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Make sure to give this menu a good look so you become familiar with the options available there. Right-clicking helps us access more tools and features within Google Sheets, which can make managing your data so much easier. Now, from the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over View More Cell Actions. This is where Google Sheets houses additional helpful options that aren't immediately visible. This section can be quite helpful for performing various bulk actions. Finally, in the expanded menu, find and click on Open Links. Google Sheets will start opening all the hyperlinks you selected, each in a new tab in your browser. This step can take a moment, especially if you have a large number of links, so be patient as each new tab starts to load. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to open multiple links in Google Sheets simultaneously. This method is especially handy when checking multiple sources or references quickly, as it saves so much time compared to opening links individually. Remember to keep track of the tabs as they open and perhaps group them or close them when you're finished to avoid tab clutter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your productivity when working with Google Sheets. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy linking.